Hello, my name is Ainara Ricuti. I'm an architecture student of the Simon Bolivar University. This is my final project of my English 3 course. I have recollected for this work some important pieces of the Venezuelan architecture. To identify the elements I have studied the whole semester, which are color, light, texture, rhythm, vertical and horizontal circulation, space, and scale, each one represented by a specific example. I will use to explain the coloring architecture a famous park, Parque del Este in Caracas, Venezuela. It is perhaps one of the most exemplary projects of the landscape architecture in Venezuela, made by Burle Marx. Color contrast here has an equal role in continuously changing, perceived depth and perspective through the seasons, even if more subdued in the interplay of tints of opposite blues and oranges, or yellows in the other months with small amounts of reds. The Divine Redeemer Church, located in San Cristobal, Táchira state of Venezuela. The light and shade produced by the gaps in the roofs and pierced walls is the best example to discuss the proper use of natural light in architecture of the tropics like Venezuela. Besides began an excellent space. Texture is an important element in architecture because it can influence the characteristics of a space. We can see that in architecture the texture can be used to guide different sensations, such as the simple example of a raw wall with a smooth, raw wall is normally associated to exterior environment. We can see how the use of a smooth and polished, in this case in the lobby of the Marriott Hotel in Caracas, you can change the characteristics of the space, making it a quiet, elegant, and give use a sense of security. In the Central University of Venezuela, designed by the famous architect Carlos Raúl Villanueva, we can see that there is a rhythm. A great example of this is in Cover Square. The use of columns can define the crossover of Cover Square without using walls and giving the space a special rhythm. Besides, highness of the roof is comfortable for pedestrians and allows the comfortable permanence. In this project, Cultural Park Tiuna Fort, we can see the two types of circulation, horizontal and vertical circulation. If we see the axis, we can note that it is determined by a horizontal circulation, and inside this project we can identify a central space surrounded by various volumes, which is the focus of the horizontal circulation of the ground floor. On the other hand, we can see that there is a vertical circulation, two modules of circulation which manage to communicate the different floors more quickly. In the Teatro Teresa Carreño of Thomas Lugo Marcano, Jesus Sandoval, and Dietrich Kunkel, we can see that this is really majestic project. We could think that this project is too big, that insulates the human scale. We need to consider the function of it. This project is a theater which main purpose is to give presentation to an audience.